What's up, guys? It's Quentin B. Smith. In this video, I'm going to show you how $100 invested into the stock market can change your whole entire life. So let's get right into it. So a lot of people ask, how much money can I make if I put in $100? And so I want to show you exactly how you can kind of come up with an estimate. And it's crazy. All right. It's bananas. All right. So when we're trading stocks, we're looking to make about 1% a day. That's just the goal for the millennials to millionaires. That's something that we do. 1% is way more than any bank account's going to give you. And if you can't tell, if you're not a stock trader, if you're a beginner, you're looking to get into this, that's how we calculate how well we're doing. We use percentages. So in this example, the only thing you need to look at is this yellow box, which is the amount of money that we put in. So we're going to start with $100, and the interest rate is 1% as a decimal, 1% a day. So 1% of $100 already, that's $1, right? So now I'm not logging into my account to move $1 around every day. So I will wait until I have 10. So that's what this number represents, the reinvestment. Meaning that look, man, $10 is not going to really help you that much, to be honest. Why don't you just leave it in there and then use that to make more money, right? And we call that reinvesting. So that's what you see on this left side. The days start rolling. By day 11, we made $10. 10 days, you made $1 a day. That's $10. So when we get that $10, we throw it right back in on day 12. And what happens is your money is not adding anymore. It's starting to multiply. Most people think if you make $1 in the stock market, then the next day you make another $1. No, that's not how it works. You make $1 in the stock market, the next day you make like $3, and I'm going to show you that. So let's get right to it. Day one, you start with $100. You get $10 by day 11 and you throw it back in. Day 12, you got $110. Crazy thing is you're making 1% of 110. Not 1% of 100, you're making 1% of 110. So now you're making $1.10 per day. And this is where it starts to get stupid. All right. So let's scroll down. If we keep doing this, day 20, we get another $10, throw it in there. Now we got $120, we're rolling. $130, we're rolling. You can see over here, the 10s start to get closer together, because when you're making $1.50 a day, you're going to get to $10 quicker, right? So if you scroll down to like day 180, it's starting to get really crazy. Day 180, you turn $100 into $560. Now you're making $5.60 a day. Used to make $1 a day. That's crazy. So what happens is your money's not adding. By day 365, you have multiplied your money so many times that it's just nuts. All right. Day 365, there we go. You turn $100 into $3,550. Oh my God. It's freaking nuts. All right. So you're making $35 a day. And more importantly, you're reinvesting more often. Like you're throwing 30s and 40s in there now instead of $10. You're reinvesting every single day. And so I'm thinking what you're thinking. What happens if you do more than $100? Ooh! All right, let's go. If we would do $1,000, day 90. Let's go to day 90. You doubled it. 2,410. Day 180. It's stupid. You turn it into $5,000, and you're making $50 a day. Can $50 help you? $50 a day. I mean, you didn't work that hard for it. You're just playing around on your phone, By day 365, it's freaking crazy, man. $33,000, $33,710, $376 a day. So if we put 10,000 in there, I just want to see this. Yo. Okay. Yo, if you put 10 grand into your stock account and you make 1% a day, in 365 days, you should have $631,310. $7,000 a day. I can't even. That's crazy, right? And what you're looking at is the eighth wonder of the world is compound interest. Your money is no longer adding, it's multiplying. And so that's what I'm doing on this upcoming web class. I'm doing an online class called Stocks Made Simple, and I'm showing you how to invest in stocks as a beginner. So I only have 8 seats left, so I'm gonna put the link in the description. Save your spot right now, and I'm actually gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna show you my three biggest stock trading secrets, and I'm actually gonna show you how to get started in the stock market in less than 30 days for under $200 without losing all your money or having to watch charts 24/7. So click the link in the description. I can't wait to see you on this web class. This is going to change your whole entire life. As you can see, $100 in the stock market can change your whole entire life. All right. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the webinar. As always, my name is Quentin B. Smith. Follow me on all social networks at Quentin B. Smith. No H on any of those. And make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you soon. Peace.